Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show how to load our database data into Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we're going to perform a simple load. What we're going to do is connect to our ODC driver previously configured to and execute a SQL query to bring data from our property raw table and then to load that into a table into the spreadsheet of Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Data tab in the menu. Once we have the cell where we want to insert the data, and go to New Database Query, and we say from database. It's going to open this ODPC driver dialog in which we will see all of our current connections we have set up. So I have my connection over here, and I'm going to click OK, and it will ask me for my login on the database server. So you just put your login, and it will give you access to the database. And here you see the server, the database, and the tables. So as we're working with the property raw table, you can click on the property raw table and it will automatically generate the select statement query for bringing all of the fields of the property raw table. In this case, I'm going to limit this. If you run it like this, it will take a long time because it will bring the millions of fields that are in the database. So I'm going to limit this to a certain number uh, of rows, and in this case I'm going to limit it to 3 because it's the limit that I have anyways, because I don't have license for this driver. So I'm going to run it, and we're going to see the result over here. So it gives us 3 rows of data. There you are. And then we can click in this icon over here, return data, in order to insert this data into the spreadsheet. Okay, so it will ask us where we want to insert it. I had previously select where I want it, so I will use this option, existing sheet. You can, and with this number of cells, but you can also do it in a new sheet, and you can do it directly to a pivot table. But we're going to do it over here because in the next video I'm going to go through all the process of loading the data into a pivot table and all of the configuration of that pivot table. So I'm going to go ahead and load it. Okay, it's going to load it in the table over here. It's a simple table. Okay, in the next video we're going to work the same data query but with a pivot table. Okay, so here we are. Here's our data already loaded into Microsoft Excel.